daily life and simple routines in English. Sometimes, English feels easier when it talks about real life. Not difficult grammar, not complicated topics, just simple daily moments. Waking up in the morning, making coffee, going outside, listening to music, coming home after a long day. And honestly, these small routines are a beautiful way to practice English naturally. Because daily life, English is everywhere. So today, let's relax and talk about simple everyday routines together. Take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly. I wake up early. I make coffee in the morning. I take my time. I enjoy quiet moments. Very good. My mornings are usually very calm. I wake up slowly. I drink some water. And sometimes I stay in bed a little longer than I should. Maybe you do that too. Then I make coffee and look outside the window. If the weather feels nice, I like opening the window and listening to the morning sounds. Simple moments like that feel peaceful. And honestly, peaceful routines can make English practice feel more natural too. For example, while making coffee, you can think, "The coffee smells good. I'm still a little sleepy. Today feels quiet. I need to wake up." These are simple thoughts in English, but they help your brain connect English with real life. And little by little, English starts feeling more natural in your daily routine. Let's practice together again. I enjoy calm mornings. I like simple routines. I can practice every day. Small habits create progress. Excellent. You know something interesting? Many learners think they need long study sessions to improve. But sometimes, small daily practice is more powerful. A few minutes in the morning, a few English thoughts during the day, a little listening before sleep. These small habits slowly build confidence, and over time, English becomes part of your normal life. Not something stressful, not something heavy, just something natural. So the next time you start your day, try adding a little English to your routine. One sentence, one thought, one small moment at a time. Let's do one final calm, shadowing practice together. I enjoy simple English. My routine helps me improve. I can learn step by step. Small practice matters. I feel calmer every day. Perfect. And remember, you do not need a perfect routine to improve your English. You just need a consistent one. I'll see you in the next calm English practice.